Friday, 8th of March 2019. I've covered the upper loop, or the loop. This will be the cement plant. So I got the base for the cement plant down. I've used 12-inch by 4-foot long just shells that are 5/8 of an inch thick. Cut those down. The hole in the center will be basically for access, so I can build the back section, build the back part that I can't reach from this outer part right here. Of course, it's pretty deep back in there, so I got a plan on how to do that. Let me get off this mud bucket here. I've used basic shelf brackets again, and some 2x4s. To hold everything together. And then underneath, I've used some extenders to put the hatch in. It's not really a trap door, it won't be used all the time. This is just kept open so I can build the back section of the cement plant area where the kiln and everything is going to be. There's some of the wiring, some of the drop feeders. Let me stand up here, and there we go down towards the cement plant yard, and like where you see the truck at, there'll be a road, and where you see the front loader, there'll be a dirt road there for the yard on the outside there. And then what I've done in the back here, since these are only 12-inch wide shelves, is I've added a 4.5-inch piece here, but it's also got access down the back. So if I need to get any type of emergency access or anything, there it is. Because what I plan on doing is using these and setting up whatever I'm going to build on top of this, so I can take it off and put it back, take it off and build it down at the desk area and put it back up here. Eventually it'll be all built and won't have to really be moved. And there's 2 of those here. They're 2 foot a piece. I might do the same here with this back in the corner. Also, whatever I decide to put here might be on a piece of Luan board, 1/4 inch thick, just for a base, and then slide it in. There's still a 1/2 inch of foam going in here, 2 1/4 inch thick pieces, so it'll work out pretty good. The reds are marks for the screws that I put in from the top, just in case I have to ever take this platform off. I'll know where they're at, but I don't see that ever happening. But it's better to plan ahead a little bit. And what I've done is I've wrote the dimensions just on the inside here, so that they don't get lost or anything. It's always right there. You can see from the top how I've got some extenders coming out here for the hatch to sit on. And there's the hatch down there. It's got the air compressor, which is nice and heavy. It'll give you a hernia lifting that thing. But it's got 2 sheets of foam on it right now. It's just being pressed. I'll put it on in the morning. Tonight I'll finish up putting foam on the rest of all this, and then we'll start visualizing where I want to put the silos and the building, all the buildings and the kiln, and just all kinds of, there's just be all kinds of silos there and everything. And down the corner, I'm still not committed to what I want to put up in there yet. That's for another plan. The main objective of this whole model railroad end scale is the cement plant. That was my whole idea behind building this anyway. It wasn't going to be quite this large. It wasn't going to take up the whole room. It was just going to be a small layout type of deal. But, well, like with most railroads, they get out of hand, but it's fun building the dang things. And I've got all the wiring done from this switch all the way around to the other switch by the door. That will have the drop down bridge on it. Well, that's about it for the update for now. I'll post another one after I get the foam laid on this, and I'll set some mock silos and mock buildings up and stuff, so you guys can kind of see what it's going to look like up here. There'll be, you can see, here we go. There's going to be two switches coming off going back there. We've got this one that comes off the top two yard, and these two here, so this whole yard can be, or this line here that goes into the cement plant can be fed with all four of these, or this one here can be fed with these two back here. I'm still not sure how I want to set everything up yet, but that's going to be a work in progress. We got kind of an idea, but it's got I don't know what all I'm going to put up there yet. It's a nice big area. It should make for some nice scenery, some nice action to switch in and out to for the engines and stuff. All right, that's it for now. See you.